Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how does Tomo credit card work. So this is the official website of Tomo credit card. So this is how your credit card is going to look like in real life, and this is the comparison between different credit card. So as you can see, they have listed some features that they offer but the other card doesn't offer. And they have listed some features also, and you can simply insert your email and then click on this button to apply for your Tomo credit card. So let me show you how does it work. So the first thing is, what is the Tomo card? So as we already know that credit card is based on your credit score. So but Tomo credit card is different. So they have created a solution to tackle the flaws of everyday credit card. So you can apply to credit card without credit score or prior credit history. So what type of card is Tomo? So Tomo card is a charge card with 7-day automatic feature to help keep your credit utilization low. So where you can use this card? You can use this card to online and offline with millions of merchants across 200 countries where MasterCard is accepted. So if you are not US citizen, can you still sign up? Yes, you can still sign up. All you need is SSN or ITN and a government issued ID. So this is how this work. So now let me tell you some features of this card. So first is no credit check, as we already seen that you don't need to have high credit score to get this card. You will get instant approval, and they have also have credit limits, so you will not spend over much. You will not spend over. They also have pay later option, so you can buy product first and then pay later. They also reward you with cashback rewards from 1% 2%. There is no fee while you making purchases with Tomo credit card. So this is how Tomo credit card work and all the feature of Tomo credit card. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.